How to delete WordPress backups, which takes up storage space in your Namecheap hosting site. So let's get started with the video process. Once we log into Namecheap account, we need to click the profile name in the top bar, and again click the dashboard from this menu. Next, we need to click Hosting List in the left side of the dashboard. And here, we need to click this button to enter cPanel Settings page. In cPanel Settings page, we need to click WordPress Manager under the Softwares section. In this page, we need to click Backups and Restore icon in the top bar. Here, we will see all the backup of WordPress sites. I have only one WordPress site backup, and it takes away almost 84 megabytes space in my hosting account. To delete any WordPress backup, we need to click the delete icon of the backed up site. And done, you can see the backup of WordPress site is permanently deleted, saving us storage space. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.